I'm recording this so you can say something to my parents if you want to.
Oh, sweet.
What'd you get? Okay.
A mixture.
Wait.
No, it's not a mixer.
Or I'm completely wrong. Oh, it's tied together now.
What is this?
You don't know what that is?
No.
It's a sewing machine.
Hey. What
You can make all your own stuff.
Snowman in this picture?
You just...
So now that fabric that I got you and the pattern, so I got you the pattern and you can make you can make a whole bag with the zipper and the thread, and you can make a bag with, and that's why I asked you what your favorite colors were. So I got you those fabrics that were in your favorite colors.
Okay.
And now you can make a bag out of that pattern, and you can sew it on your own sewing machine.
No.
You want to say something to my parents on the video?
Thank you.